All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. Before we jump into this chart, I just want to go ahead and quickly announce to everyone, because this is something that I have been emphasizing, but a lot of new-time investors or first-time viewers are coming across the channel. And yes, you're looking for the chart analysis, but this is what happens in a lot of the videos, and you guys are leaving money on the table, guys. This second half of the video is where the money's at. I've done it endless times with Pinduoduo sitting at 124, ran up to 147 in just 5 days. Charge point at $19, and in just a few days, it ran up to 32. And skills at 14, 15, and then we talked about it again at 12. I wanted to emphasize it, and it ran up 19 plus, right? So we've done it countless times. Now, not every single time I talk about a stock towards the end of the video means that it's guaranteed to go up, but I share with you guys new opportunities, and this is where the money's at. Yes, you're here for the chart analysis. I get it. I can't blame you. I understand you. If I was watching a video myself or watching one of my own videos, I'm just looking for the chart analysis. I only care about the stocks I'm invested in and move on. I get it. But in this channel, I make chart analysis out of gratitude, and I add on towards the second half of the video new opportunities, and this is where the money's at. Now, not only do I talk about the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list, but I also discuss, as you see on the screen, the ticker symbols I mention over in the morning over at the Discord, guys. Every single morning, I mention the stocks I'm watching, and if that's something that interests you, the link to the Discord is down below. Slots are filling up pretty quickly, and we have a community of 100 plus members already, all looking to learn and grow together. Smart, intelligent investors, all focusing on the same goal, to maximize profits and minimize losses. And if that's something that you're interested in and you want to become a part of, as you can see on the screen, the different opportunities that have presented themselves in the last several weeks, you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into this chart and stay tuned on in. All I'm asking for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time right after this chart analysis to talk about the stocks I mentioned in the morning, as well as the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. So here we are with NNDM, Nano Dimension, NNDM stock, and as we could see it, it seemed to have bottomed out yesterday. We need to see if this actually turns into real strength for consolidation or it pulls back even further. It's going to be very important to watch this carefully and see how it's reacting, because of the fact that NNDM has been bought and sold more than ever by ARK Invest, to the point where they unloaded large amounts of many different shares, not just NNDM, in the last several days and weeks. But NNDM seems to have bottomed out right here at this low here of 624. Very significant to watch. If it gets broken through, this could be on its way down to newer lows, so keep it in mind. But right now, where it's at, it did have a nice move upwards. We're going to talk about its high, we're going to talk about its low, and the 50-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average is 670. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. We are in tug-of-war zone here, and it is important to watch for this and see how this is reacting within these levels, because this tug-of-war zone area is either going to give leverage to the bears or to the bulls. Now, our support is right here at 659. If that gets broken through, the bears are gaining more leverage, pulling away from the 50-day moving average. And I would watch how this stock reacts between 659 and even down here at 654, or even up to this point at 647, to kind of see if the bulls try to reappear anywhere around this area before going to these lows down here of 624. But that's just to see if some strength comes in or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, if the bulls do accomplish breaking through 670, their next step is to pull away from it. And the highest point reached in the day twice, and it got rejected twice, is 688. That needs to be broken through by the bulls, turn into a support so they can reach newer highs and new resistance levels. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to smash the like button to let me know you watch this video. Lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos, and stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video. All I'm asking for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. We're going to discuss a ticker symbol you may want to add to your watch list moving forward if you don't have it already. So the ticker symbol I have for us today is one that I've talked about before, and if you have not added this to your watch list, it's definitely a stock you want to have on your watch list, guys. Moving forward, this is a stock you want to definitely have on your watch list because based off of analysis ratings, there's upside potential. Based off of articles and everything about this company, there's so much growth going for it into the future that it will reflect at some point in the stock's price if everything goes as planned according to the articles and analysis ratings. Now, before we jump into it, I do want you guys to be aware that if you want to know the full watch list that I post weekly and the stocks I watch daily over in the market every single morning, you can join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. And by joining, you'll gain access to both the weekly watch list over at the Patreon and the Discord daily stocks watch list and the community, guys. We have a community of 100 plus members, all intelligent, smart investors looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. And if that's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us. So the stock that I want to share with you guys, I mentioned it yesterday, and I've mentioned it a few weeks ago, and we've been watching it every single time it hits these levels, but it actually broke through $20, and it's PLTR, guys. And I want to emphasize it because this does have room to continue to fall or consolidate, one of the two, okay? It may consolidate, and that's a good thing because it'll show strength. And if it falls, it's not that terrible either because that's the expectation moving forward, that it's going to continue to fall, especially that it's now below $20. That had been basically the floor. So this is giving us every single time it touches the $20 mark, anywhere between 10 to 20% opportunities on these runs right here. Every single time it has touched $20. Now, this time around, it's a little bit different, okay? It's pulling back. It's actually broken through the $20 mark, and it's hitting newer lows. This stock had not hit these lows since December, guys. Since way back in December and even November, we have not seen these numbers. So this is very interesting, and this is the best time to be watching this stock and doing your research if you don't know much about it. So for the swing traders, this stock has tended to move up a few days later. I'm not guaranteeing that, and this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any positions on PLTR or any of the stocks that I mentioned, but I am here to enlighten you guys on opportunities that are being shown based off the charts and the market overall. Now, this is in the growth sector, so we want to be aware of that, and that's why this could pull back even more. Now, if it consolidates, all it takes is one catalyst, and it's going to pull it upwards. But for those that are long on this one, this is a great opportunity to keep your cost average low or bring it down or kind of stay within it and watch it if it goes even lower to get that cost average even better. And that's just my opinion, and that's what I would do. But this stock right now is in a position where it either consolidate or pull back even more, guys. So it's very important to do your research if you have not and understand this company before making any decisions on investing or even moving and proceeding forward on this stock. You need to understand the stocks you're looking at, but definitely a stock to add to your watch list if you don't have it already. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.